Dumsor, it may bread Dumsor annuase. Akufado and MPP a level record. Omano etumpo. And NDC about 1 year. But I'm so say, baby, our money come. In Asante Wedding, for example, Kanya Dumdum too much. Too much. It seems that Dumsor is coming back. Then Amanbuo said, "No, Mahama." Now, Ghana Popi said, "Or maybe the amount of man Ghana." I asked myself that question because the record between 2012 and 2016 is a bad record, and that's what we are seeing. So, you are not careful. I'm not who they also you better in and in Pesa, Ghana must move forward. My worry is that 1 year under John Mahama, we shall not have any meaningful development in the country. Dumsor, your party under NPP now, Dumsor is even back. Roughly now, oh yes, sir, how would the country move forward? Monchame, 1 year NDC by a year, Sunkwa, Abana, yet nothing to show. 24-hour economy on 25 Juma. Agenda 133 over infra. Say 1 job, 3 people, 3 shifts over infra. Over 1 year, and 25 Juma. We are there also gonna for your dream who say, I don't know, Enkoye. We must tell the government, say, I don't know, Enkoye. Almost $1 above from. $1 above from, young kind of gray. And no more boy. The Janet, it become a costro. And no more boy. Baby now, one the Jina, it because so. Sit now, Uta, Utu kind, Akon kind, offer planer, as we speak, no compare costro. So don't now about from no. I don't understand it. Omode and Noma in this country are export to. They are complaining. I didn't see because Omonoma Omode Kwabuchinos, Canabano it's affecting the economy. Even a car cocoa bottle. So Amanbuo is not about dollar about from dollar now about from the business. I won't say what's it at the same. About from no and no man now autono last year and then no and what's what now Amanbuo and you are Enkoye Mahama Amanbuo Omuso Omian can't say on Tennessee no one yet in Sakaye. That is what the president should be taught to do. And that's after 4 years at the phone, the boy said, "You have to about I'm persuaded there. I'm for Amre. I think your muscle. But he really say, even under the energy sector, and this are buying up to tariffs, electricity tariffs, almost 5 times, about 30%. Apart from that, or the 1 cedi to every liter of fuel abetoso. When you na ekayon, etuno say okoto light. Now to light 400 cedis that a son bosomia. This time no onya about 1,000 plus. Ghana for your drink koso. Sika ye chewo energy sector nyina no. Still ye nya kanya ejinaso. Ye kanya by. Memo there, this is 9 years now. Ye won. Memo there, me say we can do more. You bet me more. It's a banana. Wabanoso. MPP under J. Kufo. MPP under Nana Kufrado. We saw improvements in our economy. John Mahama. So not gonna fulfill say baby soon come idea. I'm telling you, so dear Koyachi. Maybe their reset now means that we are going back, and Ghana is going back under John Mahama. Nipa tio wase Amanbuo Ekoyi mebana. Then you want to so Ekuafo ho semba no msika no mse Ekuafo na yeden e na omom no bre abaya Ekoyi die anka Ekuafo ana issue ade na so ye so masene omsika what is by 1,100 cedis. Is that fair to the farmer? So yen nyina kana for message yen nyina yen den amano dia o sovereignty will serve the people dia me kan kwanchi abaya no say mama Enkoyi over 1 year at the hem. Monchemi, I just look up a panaye. Monchemi. And I said, I talk Kania body ding ya daddy. Your whole chair, and I'm feeling and Kabedu Kumasi. We do fear 6 p.m. no dim light. Almost every part of Kumasi was in darkness. Almost some light 10, almost all 10, almost doing some. Really, a moment I say a piano. Dumsor Mambu. Yampe. Why?